in a way that it's just like certain things that you can do on iMovie. Like for example, Ken Burns. You can't do really Ken Burns. You have to create something to get a Ken Burns effect on CapCut, right? Backgrounds, like it's hard to really put in a regular shimmering background to add your text to that. Instead, you can use like some template or whatever not, but like it's not the same. When you're trying to get... It's now 3:30. I'm still not see woman. I'm sure if I check it on the system, it's telling me that it's already delivered. Let's say I said this woman gonna wind them. Like, or is she gonna wait until I go to get the kids and then come back? I'm gonna tell some of the day again. Like,
that way you feel for sad. Come here, say when me feel for sad. That way you feel for sad.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So no, I'm not using the camera. I'm actually using my phone. And the reason for that is because the thing that I want to purchase, the thing that I need to put in my phone on, I can't speak. All right, let's start over. The phone camera holder that I have, I need to go do the Amazon haul to get that out. So I have all that. I received it from last week, but I still have not opened anything yet. So I wanted to do this real quick. Actually, I'm just coming from the hairdresser. I wanted to talk to you guys before or while I was going to the hairdresser, but that didn't happen. And I actually wanted to go to Family Dollar right now, and I want a clock for downstairs because for some reason the clock just stopped working. I'm already just now work. So I need a clock. I need to get something at the hair store as well. And I wanted to go by Dollar Tree. I wanted to get some seasoning. But unfortunately, that's not happening because I have ordered some wines. And based on the tracker, they were supposed to come like 7 o'clock this evening. But while I was at the hair salon, like an hour ago, UPS came and, you know, you have to sign for it. So I told them that I would not be home until like the next 2 hours and something. So they said that they will come back. So because right now it's literally 10 minutes to 2, but just go home, straight home, and I'm not gonna come back on the road. So this don't have to happen next week because today is actually Wednesday. I'm not doing a weekly vlog this week. I just wanted to run some errands with you guys. So in this video, I just want to talk to a little bit about like the comparison. Since I'm not gonna do that, I just wanted to speak to you guys about the last video that I posted, which technically I just edited that, so you guys should be seeing this Sunday. But I wanted to give you just my views on CAPCUT versus iMovie and how I feel about recording on the camera and the quality of it. I still want you guys to leave your comment below as to what you guys think about the quality of what you have. But I actually know that the quality is not the best because I feel like I did something and I want to give it one more chance. I want to give it a fair chance. Know that because I was just feeling it out, right? I have never used it before. So this video that you saw was like my first time using it, playing around with it and stuff like that. And I think on exporting it from CapCut, I actually did something that caused it to look weird. So I wanted to give it a fair chance. In the video before, I said that it was stupid. It's stupid in a way that it's just like certain things that you can do on iMovie. Like for example, Ken Burns. You can't do really Ken Burns. You have to create something to get a Ken Burns effect on CapCut, right? Backgrounds, like it's hard to really put in a regular shimmering background to add your text to that. Instead, you can use like some template or whatever not, but like it's not the same. When you're trying to get the ratio proportion for YouTube or just to fit this frame, it just, for me, it's just...
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I've been home such a long time. TJ called me while I was actually driving in, and we're on the phone for like the last, I'd say 2 hours or hours and an hour and a half or something. But I don't remember what I was saying. So yeah, I was comparing CapCut versus iMovie. If you guys want me to do like a different video just showing you guys the differences, like just literally showing you the comparison, I can do that. Well, I'll try to do that. But what I've seen so far, like I was saying to you, like the Ken Burns effect, like you have to create some stuff to actually get that effect. Like it's not just there, like you can just click on something and get that. And that Ken Burn effect is like when you see, like for example, I'll show you right now. So this zoom in, you can actually do it from zoom in all the way in, or you can actually bring it out. That's Ken Burns. So that is difficult to do on that. The other thing that I realized that you can't do is like cropping is very difficult, and to get the right ratio to actually go on YouTube, that kind of hard, and you have to be careful on what you press to actually play with it. Like iMovie just like kind of just get the right thing. I don't know, you just get the right picture and the lighting and everything right. This one you have to play around with to actually get the right stuff for you. And you know, you don't want anything to look fake. I don't have to do that in iMovie. Whatever I put in is what I get out. I'm gonna have to put no picture and no sharpness and none of these things. And I know it didn't help with the camera going in and out, so I'm actually setting the settings on that to make sure we don't have that blurry effect, because that's a downfall to that. What else? So like you also have the option of, so say for example, if I normally rewatch my videos before I export it, right? And you have this thing where you know, you can view it on a bigger screen. You can maximize the screen. On iMovie, once you maximize the screen and I'm going through and then I see something that I'm actually, this look crazy from editing, and I actually see something that I want to edit out, like this part don't make no sense, I'm gonna like pause it. It brings you back to the exact thing on the timeline to actually change. On CapCut, no, it brings you all over the place, of one place, of one part, of all, like you gotta find it back, which is very difficult. What else? Yeah, so how you can actually click on a clip on the timeline to edit by itself. If you click the clip on the timeline, like you have to make sure that you're checking a specific section to get that change, because once you clip anything else, if you zoom, like if you just zoom it overall, it zoomed the whole timeline. If you try to like anything you do on the timeline, so you have to go into the timeline section of it to actually hit whether you're gonna do crop or whatever to make that particular clip change to whatever you want it to be. I like the fact that it has some ready-made templates, and you have all these titles and stuff that you can actually use. Then they have like the subscribe links and all those things, that those are already there. You don't necessarily have to play around with that. While in iMovie, you would have to go get them or screen record them, then crop them and bring them back to get that done. So that's another thing. And if you actually want to get a green screen to go on CapCut, I realized that you have to, when you do the overlay, or not an overlay, you're able to do the Chrome key, I think that's called, to get it out, but then it don't give you the full, I mean, I still feel like it don't give you the full effects of what I normally would have done on iMovie. What else? I don't know. It's just, and I know, as I said before, that it's my first time playing along. So I'm playing along with it. I'm playing around with it. And then, you know, as I try to do something, I try to just jump on Google real quick to see if I can get, or YouTube real quick, and see if they have something specific towards this. Not a lot of things kind of change, because some of them are talking about the phone when I'm actually using the Mac to do it. So like I've been going round and round. Now keep it in mind that this video that you guys should have seen on Sunday it was actually 3 hours worth of video clips. And yes, the camera messed me up, and majority of it were not did not have any audio. and I have to work my magic on it. And working that magic with a 3-hour video on CapCut that I've never used before, it was a headache. So I'm really hoping I enjoyed. So I know that I said you guys should actually leave a comment and everything on this and tell me the comparison. But just watching it back, me already know, so the quality is not good. So I'm gonna do it one more time. But one more time, I'm gonna use this phone thing and edit it on CapCut and see how that go. And then I'm gonna do the camera. I actually have I was supposed to get sensory now one. I came home early because I wanted to get the wine that was supposed to come. Oh man, said 2:30, right? Because I was talking to her over my ring cam. She had to get a signature because they're a wine and you have to be over 21, and she wants to that. And I'm like, I'm gonna be home. I told the guys I'm gonna be home at a certain time. She said she'll be here at 2:30. It is now 3:30. And I've been home maybe like 2:15. It's now 3:30. I'm still not see woman. I'm sure if I check it on the system, it's telling me that it's already delivered. Let's say I said this woman gonna be wine them. Like, or is she gonna wait until I go to get the kids and then come back? I'm gonna tell her some of the day again. Like, anywho, I wanted to do a collective haul. So I was gonna do that. No, but no, at 3:30, I'm just kind of feel frustrated and tired now. And I really wanted to do the shopping with you guys. And it's been raining all day. It's like literally cloudy, foggy, looking so gloomy. So not gonna happen. So I'm just like, I'm talk a bit. I might just drop the scene on Wednesday. So I'm just have this. And then do the collective haul on Sunday. Let's see how that works out. Because I have some Shein packages that's supposed to be coming tomorrow. The wine's supposed to be here today. Technically, said it was supposed to come at 7 o'clock. So I'm not understand. I need to look right. Like the lady had it underneath her arm. And for the big wine, there's no way, lady, you're too strong for have it under your arm. Like that don't make no sense at all. At all. So like make it make sense. So you better carry my wine come. Lady, UPS, you better carry my wine come give me. Anywho, let's remember that's about. But yeah, I wanted to do a collective haul. So I have just 2 items coming from Temu. I have like 6 items coming from Shein. I have that one, and I have the Amazon packages that I have. So I wanted to do that collective haul. Wanted to do it today. Not gonna happen. That's going to happen. But yeah. Guys, I'm gonna come home this evening, or should I say this afternoon, and I'm like, okay, what am I gonna cook? Let me just tired to cook. Everybody come look for me this evening because I'm gonna look for them look for me. We're gonna look for each other. Because I'm not in any cooking mood. Like I'm not in any mood to do anything at all. Like I'm just I'm in the mood there. So the kids, I might just eat some mac and cheese. I really don't know what Troy's gonna eat. But they're like little bit of food, leftover food I say in the fridge. We might have to do that this evening, babes. We might have to do that this evening. And then tomorrow, I need to clean. TJ's coming on Friday. So I'm gonna do the cleaning room. I'm gonna do the cleaning room and the bathroom and clean up in the area. So I can come down to a clean room. And I wanna do that tomorrow. I haven't even washed yet this week. That's crazy. I feel like the days just keep on rolling over into each other. And I don't have enough time to do anything. Like, Quint, it's work time again. Like, what? Guys, it's March. Quint, it's April. Like, what is going on? The time now with by nobody. Oh my God, it's just too much. It's just too much. I mean, we really want the spring to come, but you can't already see it's all raining and cold and stuff. And then, like, I know that's spring number one. One, the spring when it's sunny and then one until rain, but like, why are you so gloomy? Anyway, guys, been on the time for hear me talk. There was something else I wanted to show you guys or something. but I can't think of it right now. Oh, it's just taking you guys on the road, and that's not gonna happen. So I think this is it. It's a very short video. I think I'm gonna give you guys this on Wednesday. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. And until later, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.